Hello everyone, once again welcome back to my channel. Now today student we are going to talk about the exercise 3.6 math subject. Now press the bell icon and watch my video. Okay. Now first exercise 3.6 are questions given. First questions. Firstly I read this question. Solve the following pairs of equation by reducing them to pair of linear equation. Question first part given 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2. Second equation 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y is equal to 13 upon 6. Solve the following pair of equation by reducing method. Okay. Now student, 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2 and 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y is equal to 13 upon 6. Now let equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. Now solve the equation by reducing method. Now solution, suppose let
go.
Now solution, let 1 upon x is equal to a, 1 upon y is equal to b. Now put in this equation number 1 and equation number 2. So 1 upon x is equal to a, this for equation 1, a upon 2 plus b upon 3 is equal to 2 by cross multiply 3a plus 2b upon 6 is equal to 2. 3a plus 2b is equal to 12. Now equation number 3. Here is divide, transfer to right side will become multiply. So this is the equation number 3. Similarly, this a upon 3 plus b upon 2 is equal 13 upon 6. Cross multiply 2a plus 3b is equal upon 6 is equal 13 upon 6. Now cancel out here. So we can write as a student 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. Now this equation number 4. On solving equation 3rd and 4th by elimination method, 3a plus 2b equal to 12. 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. By using elimination method. Now equation number 3rd and equation number 4. Now multiply equation number 3rd 2 and multiply equation number 4 3. So 2 3 are 6a plus 2 2 are 4b is equal to 24. 3 2 are 6a plus 3 3 are 9b is equal to 33. Now this positive, negative, negative. Cancel out here. This is the negative, not a positive, so we can write as here minus 5b is equal to minus 13 minus 24, 13 minus 4, 9 and 0. Stop. Now multiply 3 2 are 6a plus 3 3 is 9b is equal to 13 3 is 39. Now negative, negative, negative. Cancel out. Minus 5b is equal to this minus 15. Minus minus cancel. b is equal to 15 upon 5. So b is equal to 3. Now putting the value of b in equation 3rd we get or we have. Now equation number 3rd 3a plus 2b is equal to 12. Now 3a plus 2 into b value 3 is equal to 12. 3a plus 2 3 is 6 is equal to 12. 3a is equal to this transfer right side, sign will become changes, so we can write as here 3a is equal to 6. Now a is equal to 6 upon 3. Now a is equal to 2. Now a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3. Now put here. So 1 upon x is equal to a value 2. Now cross multiply. 2x is equal to 1. Now x is equal to 1 by 2. And last 1 upon y is equal to p value 3. Now cross multiply. 3y is equal to 1. Now y is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore the solution of x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3. This is your answer. Okay student? Okay friend? Thank you. Now let's go to the next question. Hello everyone. Once again we are going to solve the class 10 subject math exercise 3.6 question number first second part. Now student, questions are given below. 2 upon root x plus 3 upon root y is equal to, second equations are given, 4 upon root x minus 9 upon root y is equal minus 1. Solved by the reducing method. 2 upon root x plus 3 upon root y is equal to 4 upon root x minus 9 upon root y is equal minus 1. This is the equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. Now solution. Let 1 upon root x is equal a, 1 upon root y is equal b. Now putting the value of a and b in equation first and second. Now this is the 2a plus 3b is equal to 2. Also 4a minus 9b is equal minus 1. Number 3. This is the equation number 4. Now student, solve this third and fourth equation by elimination method. By using elimination method. Either you can solve this equations elimination method, substitution method, cross multiplication method, but here we are going to solve the by elimination method. Now student, सबसे पहले इक्वेशन 3 और इक्वेशन 4 में हम देखते हैं. लेट्स सी, इसमें हम 4 का मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं और इस इक्वेशंस में हम 2 का मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. नाउ मल्टीप्लिकेशन, इक्वेशन थर्ड एंड फोर्थ. 4 2 जा 8a प्लस 4 3 जा 12b is equal 4 2 जा 8. Similarly, in this equation 4 2 जा 8a, 9 2 जा 18b is equal 2 1 जा minus 2. Now sign will become changes, so we can write as here, this is the positive, negative, this negative, positive, this negative, positive. Now this is a negative, not a positive, so cancel out here this. This is the positive, not a negative. Now 18 plus 12, 30b is equal plus 2 plus 8, 10. b is equal to 10 upon 30. Now 0 cancel. b is equal to 1 by 3. Now putting the value of b in equation third or fourth we get. Now put 2a plus 3b is equal to 2. Now 2a plus 3b value 1 by 3 is equal to 2. Now 3 cancel out, so we can write as here 3 plus 2a plus 1 is equal to 2. This transfer right side, sign will become changes, so 2a is equal to 2 minus 1, 2a is equal to 1, a is equal to 1 by 2. Now put here 1 upon root x is equal to a value 1 by. Now cross multiply, x is equal to 2. Now squaring both sides, so x is equal to 4. Also put 1 upon root y is equal to b value 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 cross multiply, y is equal to 3. Squaring both sides, we get, now y is equal to 9. Therefore the solutions of x and y, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9. This is your, thank you student. Now this is your answer, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9. Now we are going to solve the next question. Now student, we are going to solve the exercise 3.6 question number first and last part 8. Questions are given here. 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal 3 upon 4. Second equation, 1 upon 2 bracket close 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 into 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 8. Solve method, the equations of by reducing method. 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal 3 upon 4. And second equation, 1 upon 2 bracket close 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 bracket close 3x minus y is equal minus 1 upon 8. Now let equation number 1, equation number 2. Solve the solution by reducing method. Now solution, let 1 upon 3x plus y is equal a and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal b. Put in this equation number 1 and 2. So this is the a plus b is equal 3 upon 4. Cross multiply, then 4a plus b is equal 3. Now 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. This equation number 3rd. Now similarly, a upon 2 minus b upon 2 is equal minus 1 by 8. Denominator is the same. So a minus b upon 2 is equal minus 1 by 8. 2 4 is 8. Now a minus b is equal to minus 1 by 4. Cross multiply, 4a minus 4b is equal minus 1. Now equation number 4. On solving equation 4, 3rd and 4th, so 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. Second equation, a minus b equal minus 1 by 4. Cross multiply, 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. This equation number 4. On solving equation number 3 and 4, so we can write as 4a plus 4b is equal to 3 and 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. This, now add this equation 3 and 4. Adding equation 3 and 4, now plus 4b minus 4b cancel. 4 4, 8a is equal to 3 minus 1 2. A is equal to 2 upon 8. Now a is equal to 1 by 4. Now putting the value of a in equation or in equation 3rd, we get, so 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. Now 4a value 1 by 4 plus 4b is equal to 3. Now 1 plus 4b is equal to 3. 4b is equal to 3 minus 1. This transfer right side will become changes. So 4 to b equal to 2 by 4. b equal to 1 by 2. Now put in this solution. 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to a value 1 by 4. Now 3x plus y is equal to 4. Similarly, 1 upon 3x minus y is equal 1 by 2. Now 3x minus y is equal to 2. Now this, rough this. 3x plus y is equal to 4 and 3x minus y is equal to 2. Positive, negative cancel out. 6x is equal to 4 to 6 cancel. Now x is equal to 1. Put in this equation 3x plus y is equal to 4. 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 4. 3 plus y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 minus 3. Therefore y is equal to 1. Therefore the solutions of the x and y, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Okay. Thank you all my dear student. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Once again please like and subscribe my channel.